Meaning of handout.
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 Handout. A handout is a piece of paper or document containing information, instructions, or details that are given out for free to a group of people. It is usually used in situations where the information is needed by multiple individuals and helps ensure consistency in the dissemination of information. Handouts can be used in schools, conferences, seminars, and other events where information needs to be shared with a large group of people. They serve as a useful reference tool for attendees and can help ensure that everyone receives the same information. Overall, handouts are a valuable tool for effective communication and knowledge sharing.